This crispy homemade hash brown recipe is so easy. Anyone can make it. Just a few simple steps and you get golden, crunchy hash browns every time. To make these crispy hash browns, start with 3 medium-sized peeled potatoes. Using a grater, shred them into a bowl of cold water. This keeps them from turning brown and helps get rid of extra starch, so they crisp up much better when cooked. Let them soak for 5 minutes. Then, rinse the potatoes a few times with cold water, and then place them in a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth. Bring the edges of the towel together, twist them tightly, and squeeze firmly to remove as much liquid as possible. Keep squeezing until no more water comes out. The drier the potatoes, the crispier the hash browns will be later. Then, place the squeezed potatoes in a large mixing bowl. Next, add 1 small chopped onion, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/3 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 2/3 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 egg. Next, use a fork to mix everything together until the potatoes are evenly coated with the flour, egg, and seasonings. Keep mixing until the mixture holds together slightly but is not too wet or sticky, as you can see in the video here. Next, heat a pan over medium heat and add 5 tablespoons of cooking oil, letting it warm up until it is hot. Then, scoop up some of the potato mixture and place it in the pan. Then gently press it down to flatten. Keep adding more portions of the mixture, leaving a little space between each one so they are easier to flip. Fry the hash browns for about 4 to 5 minutes on one side, or until the edges start to turn golden and crispy. Then carefully flip them over and fry for another 4 to 5 minutes until both sides are evenly browned and crisp. These homemade hash browns have a crispy golden brown crust with thin, slightly crunchy edges, while the inside stays soft but not mushy. If you like this easy crunchy hash brown recipe, then be sure to check out also how I made these amazing crispy potato cheese balls here. Check it out now.